Hi, this is Haspa with WTI.
And I have to tell you all about this Firgi reusable silicone bags in my kitchen, and I honestly don't know how I manage without them. The first thing is I love how perfect they are for storing leftover food, whether it's last night pasta, any beef or chicken. I just pop it in the bag and stick it in the fridge. I also love the measurement lines on the side, which I use all the time when I'm meal prepping, so I know exactly how much food I'm keeping in there. It is great to keep dairy and vegetable fresh. I'll throw in some cheese or chopped onions and stays crisp and organized. I also use it to freeze a fruit, especially for my smoothies. Berries or strawberries is just great, and it fits in my fridge perfectly. And the clear design is so smart because I can see exactly what is inside without having to open it or guess. Right here, I was just showing you how easy it was to guess that it was cheese, of course. And cleanup, so simple. I just rinse them or put them in the dishwasher and they're good to go. In this case, I was just washing it with a sponge for you to see how easy it was. And they don't leak, even with liquids like soup or marinated food. It's just awesome.
And that's my point of view.